Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential Power BI feature, adding a data refresh date. Imagine a dashboard where data mysteriously changes, but you have no clue when it last updated. Frustrating, right? Well, we'll explore why showing the refresh date is crucial, methods to do it, and of course, a step-by-step guide. Stay tuned, this will save you from the classic "when was this last updated?" A panic. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's start with the basics. Why do we even need a refresh date? Picture this, you present your fancy dashboard and someone asks, how fresh is this data? If you don't know, awkward silence follows. Having a refresh date builds trust in your reports, prevents outdated decisions, and ensures transparency. Trust me, it's a lifesaver when dealing with skeptical managers. Now, why should you display the refresh date? Imagine sending a monthly report only for someone to find out it's using last year's data. Oops. Adding the refresh date ensures users know exactly when the data was last updated, helping them make informed decisions. It's a simple yet powerful addition that removes any confusion. All right, let's get practical. How do you actually add a refresh date? There are three main ways: Power Query, M-Code, and DAX. Each method has its own perks depending on what you need. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each one so you can choose the best approach for your situation. Power Query is an excellent way to capture refresh dates automatically. It's like having a detective in your dataset, ensuring you always know when updates happen. If you deal with large models, automation becomes a game changer. Let's break it down step by step. First, open Power Query Editor, then create a blank query, type in the M code, and finally, link it to your report. Oh, that's it. Simple, efficient, and ensures your data stays up to date. M code is great when you need precise timestamps. No more guessing when data refreshed, it's all handled automatically. It's a reliable way to ensure your reports always reflect the latest updates. Ever seen an ugly timestamp cluttering your reports? Formatting is key. Make sure it's readable and clean. Your audience will thank you. Whether it's simple or fancy, the goal is clarity. DAX is another powerful way to display refresh dates dynamically. If you love working with measures, this method is for you. Just write the formula, add it to a card visual, and boom, you're good to go. Let's start by creating a measure for tracking our last refresh date. DAX makes this easy, and storing the timestamp in a dedicated measure ensures accuracy. Just imagine, no more guessing when the data was last updated. But don't just take my word for it, run a quick test to make sure it's working properly. DateTime functions in DAX are game changers. The now and today functions give us dynamic timestamps and format, lets us present them beautifully. Want extra precision? Combine date and time functions. Just make sure everything updates at the right time, otherwise your refresh date might take a trip to the past. Visibility is key. Placing the refresh date in a card visual makes it clear and accessible. Don't forget to format it properly. Nobody wants to decipher hieroglyphics. A conditional formatting can help highlight important changes. And of course, position it where your viewers won't need a treasure map to find it. Time zones can be tricky, but Power BI gives us the tools to manage them. We can use DAX to convert UTC to local time and ensure consistency across reports. Just watch out for daylight savings time. It sneaks up when you least expect it. Power BI service is our go-to for tracking refresh dates. We can monitor statuses, set alerts for failures, and review refreshed history. And automations. It saves us from manually checking every single update, because nobody has time for that. Best practices keep our refresh date implementation smooth. Consistency is key. Use uniform date formats and document the logic behind your calculations. Regular validation keeps problems at bay. Because let's be honest, troubleshooting is much more fun when it's someone else's problem. We all run into issues, but knowing how to fix them makes life easier. If your refresh date isn't updating, check your DAX formulas. Time zone mismatches can cause unexpected shifts, and Power BI service failures can halt updates. Troubleshooting isn't always fun, but hey, at least it keeps things interesting. At the end of the day, refresh dates aren't just numbers, they're trust builders. A clear visualization makes data transparency easy, and automation reduces manual work. Regular monitoring keeps outdated data out of the equations, and that, my friends, is how we keep our Power BI reports sharp. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.